Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bold text on your post in LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log in. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can immediately start making a post from the post section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will notice that there is no option to bold your text once you type it. So you will need to use a third-party service and paste a bold text within this option. So open up a new tab and then in the address bar type in typegrow.com/linkedin-text-formatter. Now press enter and you will be taken into a LinkedIn text formatter page from TypeGrow. You can simply type in your preferred text within the enter or copy paste your text here section, and you will see that the bold version will be available underneath. You can click on copy text and now you can simply paste it within. And now when you click on the post button, your post will appear with a bold text. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a bold text within your post on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.